Daws Heath Railway 00 gauge. Saturday afternoon. Ideal, the sun's just gone in, so ideal for filming. It's B17, City of Leicester coming around. I'm not overloading with coaches this afternoon. Doesn't do them any good. That looks good, but I'll cut the speed down because this comes over the suspension bridge across the pond, so they can't go too slow, but that's not too bad. That's a reasonable speed. B17, City of Leicester. Oh, it's slowing down as it's going now. Marvellous. Slow it down, but it's a bit dry joint now. City of Leicester. Daws Heath Railway 00 gauge, Saturday afternoon. Ideal because the sun's just gone in. Ideal for filming. I seem to be taking the viaduct, the corner all right there. And the radius, it's good. Here it comes. Got an L1 coming round. Nice to run the ones I don't run that often. Seems to be going reasonably well. Famous last words. One needs a bit of a clean out. It's ideal for filming because of the sun going in. Not much shadow about. It's a B1. Now one in goods. Took a bit of time to get it going properly, but it's going alright now. Had to get a new back bogey for it. Front one need a bit TLC, but it seems to be okay now. Got B17 coming across the viaduct. Should get a good shot here. Got a B1 coming round as well.